Hello, you're right, and welcome to today's lesson. Retrieval questions. Number 1. Where is a Cockney accent from? Number 2. What letters do you not pronounce in the middle of the words in a Cockney accent? Number 3. Words that end in ER are replaced with what sounds in a Cockney accent? And number 4. What is used instead of TH sound in a Cockney accent? Please pause the video here to allow students to write out the answers. And here are the answers. Number 1, East London. Number 2, a T. Number 3, an AH and R sound. And number 4, an F. Please pause the video here for students to write out the correct answers. What and why? What? Explore different stimuli using different dictions, pace and pause. And learn the difference between enunciation and pronunciation. Why? To become more aware of how you should speak in an informal, formal setting or when you are playing high status and low status characters. Vocal diction. Vocal diction is how you express yourself using enunciation and pronunciation. Enunciation is how clearly you pronounce your words, and pronunciation is the way in which the word is spoken, for example, with an accent or character voice. Paraphrase what vocal diction is by reading back the screen. Pause the video here to allow students to paraphrase. Vocal diction. Task. In pairs, practice saying the following lines in your usual voice. All right, how's it going? I'm okay, thanks. How are you? What have you been up to? Not much. How about you? I've been down the town. Did you go to the shops? No, I just went for a walk. Pause the video here for students to practice this vocal diction. Now, pair up with another pair and listen to each other deliver the lines. Are they speaking clearly? Are they using an accent? What letters of the words are they missing? Do any of the letters or sounds stand out? Pause the video here to complete this task. We're now going to show some examples. In your feedback, you are commenting on how well they are using enunciation and pronunciation. Pause the video here. Now practice the line again using clear diction by taking your time and pronouncing every letter. All right, how's it going? I'm okay, thanks. How are you? What have you been up to then? Not much. How about you? I've been down the town. Did you go to the shops? No, I just went for a walk. Pause the video here to practice using clear diction. Pace. This is how fast or slow you speak. Different characters and different situations cause for a performer to speak using different speeds. For example, someone who's very excited may speak very quickly, and someone who's very tired may speak very slowly. And someone who is of a high status may speak slowly as they are important and therefore don't have to rush what they are saying, as the role demands people's attention. Whereas someone who has low status may speak quickly for fear that someone might interrupt them or get bored and stop listening. Ever notice that the Queen speaks slowly? Task. In pairs, create a short scene where someone is telling their friend that they have won the lottery. The friend at first doesn't believe them, but they are shown proof and then they too are excited. What pace would your characters use? Would this change throughout the scene? Try to add tone to your voice to show your character's feelings, for example, excited and shocked. Pause the video here to rehearse your scenes. Now it's time to perform and evaluate. Remember to speak in full sentences and use key vocabulary. You were commenting on what was successful and what could be further developed. Pause the video here to allow for performance and evaluation. Pause. Pause can be used for a number of reasons. Used for dramatic impact. It can show the audience that a character is in a disbelief or show shock or surprise. It can show a character thinking about what to say next, or a character is confused. The lack of pause shows that the situation is happening at a fast pace and can be used to create panic or excitement. Paraphrase what pause means. Pause the video here for this task. Now go back over your scene where you've won the lottery and your friend is in disbelief and add moments of pause. Pause the video here to complete this task. Now it's time for performance and evaluation. Remember to give your feedback using full sentences and key vocabulary. Pause the video here. Plenary. What is diction? Why do we use different paces in our speech? What impact does pause have? Pause the video here to discuss these questions.